I'm the ketchup guy, and by accepting that name, I take the responsibility of trying things with ketchup, and it's my job to let you know what tastes good with ketchup. So I will try everything and make any recipe, because I am the ambassador of ketchup, and you will know what is good and what is bad with ketchup. If this is something you like, then subscribe to my channel and be sure to get it, and you will be sure to get a ton of it. And never forget, always try things with ketchup.